Yo, what is going up, everybody? I hope you have an amazing morning right now. And today I just wanted to show you some amazing finds I found at some garage sales that they're just amazing. And how do you want me to start this? I'm just gonna show you my first find. I got this old school Sonic shirt and the Sonic tag. That is just one shirt that I found, and there's two. Yeah, count them up. 1, 2. This one is it's just a Corona shirt. You know, nothing to do with what we're in right now. Don't get that confused. I know here's the back. It's pretty nice. It's kind of big though. It's like a blanket. And this is my first fanny pack. I know these were kind of in trend in the last year or something. JanSport fanny pack, pretty great, you know. I know you're supposed to wear it like this or something, so it doesn't really go with my fit, you know. And alright, I got some hats, some more hats, you know. This one's pretty cool. It's a news channel hat. Nothing too crazy around here. Some sportsman tag. Yeah, I think the embroiderment, pretty cool. This one's pretty amazing. I'm happy I found this one. The Farmers Insurance Group hat, trucker hat. Wild. That's pretty wild. And this, I thought it was super funny. I'm gonna have to make something crazy with this. The Thomas beanie mask thing. Gonna rob a bank. I don't rob banks. I'm not a criminal. But imagine somebody pulling up on you with the Thomas mask, and yeah.
Thomas is a tank engine who lives at a big station.
It's like the Gucci mask that came out last year. Alright, and here's something cool. I thought maybe we could do something cool with this. Halloween mask. I forgot his name. And you can never go wrong with Robin Williams. I got the VHS Flubber. I've seen it a bunch of times. It's a great movie. Definitely check it out. And I don't watch hockey, but check out this little figure with the collector's catalog. I don't know if this is like special. Maybe you guys know. I have no idea. And then we got, surprisingly, a pair of shoes. They're super small. Like, here's my hand. Yeah. I was thinking about customizing these. I think that would be fun in a future video. And I love Monopoly. Oh, there's money falling out. The Corvette Monopoly. I'm not a huge fan of Corvettes, to be honest. But Corvette Monopoly. Look at that crazy board. A big old car. And then all the properties are cars too. That's pretty neat. Bam.
If you ain't talking money, I don't wanna talk. I'll call you back.
Okay. Also, we got some cups that they're crazy cups. Not even gonna lie. First, we got this mini, bottom of mini. Has her signature inside, I guess, or name, I don't know. But yeah. And a glow-in-the-dark Bud Light Halloween Fright Night cup. That's definitely gonna be drinking some nice water out of these. Also, this one was really cool. The Lifesavers mug. And I found a fossil. Yes. The Flintstones McDonald's glass cup. Absolutely gorgeous. Little bone handle. definitely some crazy stuff, digging through tubs and closet stuff. And you're probably like, dang, that's a lot of stuff. That was probably a bunch of money. But the lady at the garage sale was so nice. And all of this cost me only $4. Yeah, not a scam, nothing. She's super nice. She wanted to get rid of all her stuff. And I said thank you. Thank you very much. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Many videos coming up very, very soon. Maybe just smash the subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment, everything that YouTube has to offer. And catch you next one. Thank you.